Moving into Dance consists of dancers who are versatile performers and skilled teachers that maintain a standard of professional excellence in performance, interactive edu-dance, Afrofusion workshops, and school performances. These spectacular dancers pass on their skills to children, giving them insight into a career in dance. We're in Newtown, home to the MIDM Dance Studios. Dance for these people isn't just a pastime, but an avenue to achieving a dream, away from the grind of real life and into a fantasy of the performing arts. Dance, a form of emotional expression and social interaction. It can also be the simplest form of non-verbal communication between people from different walks of life. For others, it's a way of life. Sonia Khadebe tells us how she fell in love with dance.
My dance career started a long time ago. I'm from a family of performing artists, believe it or not. My grandmother was a musician and my mother was a model and an actress. My sister was a dancer. So I used to go to performances with my sister, go backstage, see her doing a curtain call, and so the environment of the arts is something that I grew up knowing ekhaya. And also, Estratene White City, every second child used to dance. And this is where I sort of learned what dance can do for me as an individual. Dancing, I started seriously from that point because it's something that I knew from home, but also ekhaya. They used to support me throughout my whole early lives of starting to dance.
Sonia's dance career found a facelift in MIDM, known as Moving into Dance Mophatong, a funded organization which uses dance and training to develop and empower talented youth.
Moving into Dance Mophatong was founded by Sylvia Klasa in 1978. She started in her own garage to expose the young talent into the dance industry as a profession, and to keep spreading the word of dance and keep training and developing the youngsters in order for them to be able to stand up on their own as creative artists.
Moving into Dance was created in the height of apartheid, where dancers of all races could come together and share their passion without the racial divides. They develop and support dancers from under-resourced communities. Moving into Dance Mophatong has an outreach program with Aurora Girls High School in Soweto.
At Moving into Dance, we have different departments, and one of the things that we drive forward is teaching. Training as well. And some of my colleagues, we teach in schools, primary schools and high schools, and Aurora Girls is one of the schools which we teach at.
Dance is important. Moreover that, it is part of the curriculum, arts and culture. So in the arts and culture, there are sub-branches, so dance is one of them. There are other children, according to me as a teacher, who are not meant to be in the mainstream of the subject, but rather they should be given where they are going to use skills.
We have a method that we call edu-dance here, Moving to Dance, where we fuse academical subjects with creative movement in a school environment, in a classroom. So in that way, the teacher doesn't have a chance to go and sit in a staff room and have tea with her colleagues, but she is fully involved in the creation process, because when I leave as an edu-dance teacher at Aurora or at whichever school that I may be teaching in, the teacher is able to continue with the tools that I left her with, having to use your body as a tool for academical purposes, for entertainment, for rituals, whatever the case may be. And I think we've done that very successfully for the past 35 years. And I'm proud to be part of this program, Moving into Dance.
I like it in that it takes them away from mischief outside there. It grooms them inside. Through dance, they're able to discover who they are.
It influences me with the attitude I had towards life. Dance transforms me. It takes me to a different level where I forget every problem, spiritually, emotionally, every way possible. These are great opportunities that we have to take with both hands, because from the communities that we come from, it's very challenging. It holds quite a bright future, taking my family from a bad situation to a much greater, lovely situation.
Ngikhule ngenza iballet mara ngahlupheka something and angizange ngisaqhubeke ngeballet but ngingathanda ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngedance ngidance ngize ngikhule nayo idance.
Go to different provinces on our outreach programs. We also go there to perform and teach workshops, and we also have cultural exchange activities that are happening. I mean, right now we're running workshops for youngsters from Mpumalanga, which come here and get skills and go back home. And these are not students. These are some of the things that we do at Moving to Dance.
With MID, I got an opportunity to get a bursary, study my dream, live my dream, and I'm still in it. And besides the dancing, it's a home-based type of learning. So they've offered me a lot of other courses besides dancing. Like I've gotten computer training, I've gotten how to facilitate, how to assess, mentor, teach. I've gotten all those skills from them, and I'd basically say free of charge. And today I'm actually earning a living. I'm able to help my family. I'm able to look after myself. I have my independence.
I'm grateful for where I've been with my career and my life. Dance has taught me a lot of things. It has taught me self-discipline. It has taught me respect. It has taught me to be able to communicate my feelings. When I was young, I was a very vibrant child, but it was not easy for me to talk to the next person or with the next person. But through movement, through the sound, I was able to tell stories that I never thought I would tell. Stories that I even tell today, but maybe in a different language, maybe in a theater setup with better costumes and better lighting. But the vision and the passion is still the same, and the drive is still the same, maybe a bit more shaped and put into more perspective.
Discipline has produced creative individual dancers and great new choreographers. And through this, Moving into Dance Mopatong has created a platform for dancers to express themselves beautifully.